Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a real classic, the 1980 Saab 96, and yes, this one comes in a gorgeous sand color that perfectly blends vintage charm with understated elegance. If you're a fan of classic cars or just love automotive history, you're in for a treat. Saab has always been known for its unique Scandinavian design, engineering that's a bit quirky but brilliant, and cars that have character. And the 96. Well, it's one of those models that truly embodies all of that. So, whether you're considering owning a piece of automotive history, or you just want to admire one of the most iconic European cars from the late 70s and early 80s, we're going to cover everything: the exterior styling, the interior features, its performance, and of course, pricing and collectability today. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior because first impressions matter, right? The 1980 Saab 96 is instantly recognizable. It has that classic rounded shape that Saab fans love, often compared to a flying teardrop or, some say, Swedish rocket. This sand-colored finish gives it a soft, timeless look that stands out without being flashy. From the front, you notice the signature sloped hood and the pointed nose. The headlights are round and set wide apart, giving it a friendly, almost approachable look. The chrome accents around the grille and bumpers subtly highlight its design, and the small Saab logo on the nose adds that Scandinavian authenticity. One interesting feature is the wraparound windshield, a staple in Saab design, which not only looks sleek but also improves visibility, a thoughtful detail for its time. Moving to the sides, the gently curved fenders and the slightly elongated body give the car a sense of motion even when it's parked. The wheel arches are modest, holding the classic steel wheels with chrome hubcaps. The sand color pairs beautifully with these accents, giving it a look that's elegant yet understated. You'll also notice the rear fender gently slopes, leading your eyes to the back. It's a cohesive design from start to finish. At the back, the Saab 96's tail is compact but charming. The small, vertical taillights and simple bumper maintain the clean lines, while the slightly curved rear window gives a unique touch that still stands out today. Saab didn't need flashy spoilers or excessive body kits. The design is minimalistic but timeless. Interior. Now, let's slide inside because this is where Saab's quirky brilliance really shines. The 1980 Saab 96 sand color model features a simple yet functional dashboard layout. The steering wheel is large, thin, and has that classic vintage feel. Directly behind it is the instrument cluster, which is clean and easy to read: speedometer, fuel gauge, and a few warning lights, all arranged logically. The seats are upholstered in sand-colored fabric that complements the exterior perfectly. They're firm but supportive, designed for long drives rather than short bursts of speed. One thing Saab always got right was ergonomics. The pedals, gear shift, and controls are positioned intuitively, making it easy for the driver to operate the car comfortably even on longer journeys. The interior is compact, yes, but it feels cozy rather than cramped. There's enough room for 4 adults, although taller passengers in the back might find it a bit snug. The rear seats fold down in some models, offering a small cargo space for luggage, quite practical for a car from 1980. Another interesting aspect is the ventilation system. Unlike other cars from that era, Saab included a heating and defrosting system that works remarkably well, something you'll definitely appreciate if you're driving this car in colder climates. The attention to detail is evident everywhere. The chrome door handles, simple knobs, and toggle switches might seem basic today, but back in 1980, this was top-notch craftsmanship. Even the sand-colored dashboard and trim give the cabin a cohesive, calm vibe. It's a car designed for drivers who appreciate simplicity, function, and reliability over flash. Performance. Moving on to performance, the Saab 96 is powered by a 2-stroke engine for models before 1978, but the 1980 model came with the improved V4 engine, which gave it much better torque and smoothness. This engine produces around 65 horsepower, not earth-shattering by today's standards, but for a small classic car, it delivers a peppy and responsive ride. One thing that really sets the Saab 96 apart is its handling. Thanks to front-wheel drive, which was relatively rare in that era, the car grips the road surprisingly well. Tight corners, wet roads, or snowy conditions, this car feels planted and stable. The steering is precise, although a bit heavy compared to modern cars, which adds to the connected driving experience. You feel every turn and every bump, which is part of the classic charm. Acceleration is modest. You won't be hitting 0 to 60 in record time, but the engine's torque makes city driving smooth and enjoyable. Highway cruising is comfortable, though keep in mind that modern cars are faster and quieter. The ride is firm but controlled, absorbing bumps well thanks to its simple suspension system. Fuel efficiency is decent for its age. A V4 Saab engine is surprisingly frugal, which is one of the reasons these cars were popular in Europe back in the day. Another highlight is the car's reliability. Saab engines were known for longevity, and many 1980 Saab 96s are still on the road today with minimal issues. Maintenance is straightforward, though parts can be harder to find due to its vintage status. But for enthusiasts, that's part of the joy. Keeping a classic car like this alive and running is a rewarding experience. Pricing. Now, let's talk numbers. A 1980 Saab 96 in good condition, like the sand-colored model we're reviewing, typically ranges from $10,000 to $20,000, depending on mileage, originality, and overall condition. Fully restored models with original parts and paint can fetch higher prices, sometimes up to $25,000. What makes the Saab 96 a collector's dream is not just its design, but its history. This car is emblematic of the innovative Swedish approach to automobile design, safe, quirky, and functional. It appeals to enthusiasts who value driving experience and heritage over modern luxuries. Plus, the sand color is increasingly rare, making it a desirable shade for collectors who want something different from the usual reds, blues, and blacks. In terms of insurance, vintage cars like this are typically cheaper to insure than modern sports cars, though classic car insurance often requires storage in a secure location and mileage limits. Ownership is also rewarding because you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of history. Car shows, vintage rallies, and Saab clubs offer opportunities to connect with other enthusiasts, share stories, and enjoy the legacy of a true classic. So, what's the verdict on the 1980 Saab 96 sand color? If you're looking for a classic car that combines timeless design, quirky Scandinavian engineering, and a fun driving experience, this is an excellent choice. It's not about raw power or flashy features, it's about enjoying the ride, appreciating design, and owning a car with character. From its elegant sand-colored exterior to its functional and cozy interior, from the reliable V4 engine to its excellent handling, the Saab 96 is a car that continues to charm enthusiasts decades after it rolled off the production line. And as a collector's item, it offers potential appreciation in value, especially for rare colors and well-maintained examples. If you love cars that tell a story and offer a connection between driver and machine, the 1980 Saab 96 is more than just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive art. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. And if you've ever driven a Saab 96 or have one in your collection, I'd love to hear your experiences down in the comments below. Stay tuned for more classic car adventures, and as always, keep your engines running and your passion for cars alive.